Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to find and utilize the angel effect on CapCut. So initially what you're going to want to do is go up to Effects, Video Effects, Light Effect, scroll down to find the angel effect, click and drag it down to the timeline. And now we're going to look at the effect itself, go up to the Special Effects tab, and we can mess with the strength of the effect, right? So for example, let me show you guys. I'm going to increase this effect a little bit, bring the player head to the beginning of the effect, decrease the strength all the way to 0, add a keyframe, bring it all the way, let's say here, and then increase the strength all the way. And now the keyframe automatically adds, and now we can take a look at this effect. That's awesome. Well, guys, if this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.